Alright, ain't no intro. Here's what we got so far. I still didn't put the pan on. The drill had to charge. Alright, but we have our oil cooler. It's on there. I think I want to swap these two lines. Alright, I think I want to swap this one and that one. Just to put the shorter one closer. And I think I can get this to not tilt so much over to the right. Your left, my right. Play with some of the coolant lines. They're kind of funky. I'm gonna have to delete some stuff, plug some stuff. There's a bunch of T's that aren't gonna make it because we just don't need them anymore. And in the meantime, I put this, I don't know if you can see it, but I got like a little P bracket just to keep the oil line off of the manifold. And running out of real estate. I threw these wires on, just to have them on, get them out the way. We got brake booster out the way. Some of these coolant lines, I'm still waiting on stuff. Turns out that AN line up there is actually a 10, not a 12, the one that I need. So oil catch can, we're still waiting on. Just the fittings in the line. I'm probably gonna start playing with the hot side of these charge pipes in a little bit. I'm hungry right now, so it's about to be a wrap for now, man. Look at how much little space we have to work with this downpipe. Temp is gonna have to do some magic. Well, we have to move some shit out the way. It's definitely gonna have to be that. Just got to move shit out the way. All right, that can kind of get the hell out of here. But this is definitely a problem. I already knew this was gonna be a problem. I'm gonna go get some food, and then we'll probably start playing around with these charge pipes, at least the hot side. And grab these self tappers, bang that in there, clean this oil pan, bang that in there. Get our return line. I think our diverter valve is gonna probably live somewhere like this. All right, coming across. It'll be real easy. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. But you got some ways to go. Still missing parts. All right, so on to the next. Ain't no outro. Back again, ain't no intro. So, no, I'm making another video no one's gonna watch. All right, we had to do these oil cooler lines over a bunch. Reconfigure those. I left a little gap so you can get to the oil filter. All right, these are ran over here to this, I forget who makes it, Rockstar. Looks like. About to get a few self-tappers, so I think this is going to live right about there with that kind of a gap. And self-tapping on this side, matched up with our little brace and the tension from the two lines. It clears the oil pan. Right. After that, we spoke about our power steering's already moved. Oil catch can, waiting for our 80 or 180. It's a loop back. Gonna have to cut that a little bit. I gotta go to Tim's. This is our line for a vacuum and wastegate stuff. I gotta go to Tim's to get the boost controller, the T into there. Oil drain is done. I gotta take you downstairs to show you that. Right, oil pan is on. See our poly motor mounts as well. And it's our oil drain. Everything's looking nice, clearing. We got nice elbows. Looks like it's gonna work just fine. And then the last thing we did, I got done, it's gonna be mounting the intercooler to the front rad support. So that bitch is on there. So from this point, about to I've just hit these self tappers in there to marry this permanently. Pop this back on the front, and then I'm waiting. I gotta wait for more parts. I'm waiting on the throttle body, You know, so we can come this way and just clamps everywhere. Just missing clamps. Clamps. Just missing a lot of clamps. So after we see more clamps, we're just missing clamps. There's the coolant. I ran underneath the manifold with this this steel plastic guarded line thing, and it links back over here to our bottle. The other line is up here, runs across the top, does a little drip. We deleted something, a few things, you know, so a little ISOP. My phone died, but here's some pictures. I had to push the shit out front, waiting for throttle body, a few other things, but you know how it is, ain't no outro.